Amawulire si malungi yadde n'akamu nga bw'ogezaako okubeera nga olaba omuvubuka bambi akubiddwa essasi. Embeera gy'alimu si nnungi yadde n'akamu, nga ono y'omu ku bawagizi banno bwe babadde beeyongerayo e Sironko bambi akubiddwa essasi. Embeera yiino y'eriwo essaawa eno, kanjikuwe obeere ng'ate ogiraba.
We are going with this. You must work on this. We agreed with you. I am a leader. We started with you in the meeting. Why do you do this kind of thing? People, why do you want to kill us? What have we done wrong? This is our country. People, why do you want to kill us? You shot the guy in the head. Why do you shoot him? Why do you shoot him? Honestly, why do you shoot him? Why do you shoot him? Come on. This is not right. This is not right. Honestly, RPC, you man, we were with you in the meeting. You bring for us people from Kampala to kill us here. Come on, this is not fair. This is not fair. We are not in the war. This is country. This is not fair. What you doing? What is that? Why do you do this kind of thing? Why? This guy, he saw me in the morning. I've been talking to him as the leader. Why do you order the men to kill him? Why? Why? Why?
How are you going to kill me? By training, you are to control the crowd. See where I've acted. See where I've acted. Why did I not go there? Why did I not go? You see where I've acted. Why? See where I've acted. How could they? Good enough. Professionally, I have not died. Professionally, no, but this is
shooting him in the head is professional. Shooting him in the head is professional. Shooting him in the head is professional.
Afande na kuoninga my God.
just push anyhow.